Thanks for watching Futurescope Weekly. Quick hits on the biggest stories in science and tech. Let's dive in.
Google's Nano Banana platform.
Google's new AI image model, known as Nano Banana, has taken over the internet. And not just because of the name. It's actually one of the fastest and most capable image generators Google has ever released. Nano Banana is part of the Gemini 2.5 flash image family designed for speed. You type a prompt, and it generates a clean 1024 pixel image in about a second. But what sets it apart is that you can keep editing the image conversationally, changing lighting, outfits, angles, styles, without starting over. One of its biggest strengths is local editing. You can remove objects, retouch faces, blur backgrounds, recolor items, or fix mistakes just by describing what you want changed. No masking, no Photoshop complexity. The AI handles the regions automatically. It also excels at character consistency. If you upload a selfie, Nano Banana can recreate that same person in different outfits, poses, or environments while keeping the face stable. This is why the figurine-style portraits and themed couple photos went viral so quickly. Another key feature is multi-image reasoning. You can feed it several photos, a room, a product, a mood board, and ask it to merge them into a single concept. Designers use this to prototype ads, scene layouts, interior ideas, and product visuals.
Is CRISPR going mainstream?
CRISPR technology is accelerating quickly, with more than 200 companies now pursuing gene editing therapies. Scientists are pushing the boundaries of treating genetic diseases, but concerns remain around ethics, regulation, and the long-term risks of editing human DNA.
A word from the Climate Change Summit.
Ahead of COP30 in Brazil, climate scientists warn that the world may be crossing irreversible tipping points, bleaching coral reefs, melting glaciers, and destabilizing carbon sinks. These changes could accelerate global warming and make climate mitigation exponentially harder.
A warning from Cisco.
Cisco says the rapid growth of AI is exposing massive weaknesses in outdated networking systems. Old routers and unpatched infrastructure create vulnerabilities that could threaten everything from corporate networks to national security unless systems are modernized.
Google implements SynthID.
Google is rolling out deeper support for SynthID, a watermark system that helps identify AI-generated images. Gemini can now analyze images and tell whether they were created or modified by Google's AI tools, with support for video and industry-wide standards coming soon.
New hot AR glasses brand.
AR startup Viture is quietly developing an advanced pair of AI-powered AR glasses. Think slimmer than a VR headset, more immersive than smart glasses, with real-time scene analysis, overlays, and voice AI baked in. If they deliver, they could give Apple and Meta real competition.
Trump wants to override state AI laws.
A leaked draft of a Trump administration executive order proposes creating a DOJ AI litigation task force to override or challenge state-level AI regulations. Supporters say it would unify national policy, while critics argue it may exceed federal authority.
Computer chips to be made in the USA.
The U.S. is building massive new chip manufacturing regions, especially in Phoenix, as TSMC, Intel, and others rush to boost domestic semiconductor production. These facilities aim to close the technology gap, strengthen supply chains, and reduce reliance on Asian chip makers.
BBC executives resign in editing scandal.
The BBC faces a major credibility scandal after top executives resigned following allegations of biased editing, including the manipulation of a Trump speech. The crisis exposes deeper fractures in leadership, governance, and public trust in the broadcaster.
To the Capitol, and I'll be there with you. And we fight. We fight like hell. We're going to walk down to the Capitol, and we're going to cheer on our brave senators and congressmen and women.
Microsoft envisions the future of Windows.
On Windows' 40-year anniversary, Microsoft says the future OS will shift toward agentic computing, where the system acts more like an intelligent assistant than an app launcher. AI-driven workflows and automation will play a central role.
Verizon lays off 13,000 employees.
Verizon is laying off over 13,000 employees, nearly 13% of its staff, as part of a broad restructuring effort. The company aims to reduce costs, streamline operations, and reposition itself in a rapidly changing telecom market.
That's this week from FutureScope Weekly. Don't forget to subscribe for more.